guys, I'm back playing I Am a Cat. As you can see, same new me. I got my golden claws. I was just in there, and earlier today I was like sick, but like before I was like sick, I saw a video on how to finally open that thing. Cause before, like in the OG, you can just like roll it and stuff like that, but apparently now way to open it is this. Like that, and then it should be open. Yep. Alright, so cut up a tomato. But first, we need. Let me out! Let me out!
Yes, I'm Lucio.
So now we need a knife. What the heck? Why did it take me here? Whatever. Put it in my mouse. Get it over here. Get it in my mouse. Let's go cut up a tomato. What am I doing? Alright. Fry some potatoes in something. I don't know. Oh, it just broke. Yep, alright. Yes. I'm a cat, so alrighty, turn that off. Alright, bye, big potato. So what's next? Eat a cucumber. So I need my knife back. Granny, why the heck do you have some hard ass tomatoes? Eat a cucumber. Are these cucumbers or are these pickles? I guess we'll never know. We're about to find out. Hoya! 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 The look of it, I think it's a cucumber. Right, eat some fried chicken. We're going back to the fridge in the last video. Because remember in the last video, I had to make some. I had to make some fried chicken. But in the microwave. Get over here. Alright. Shut the frick up, man. Granny, where are you? I'm pretty sure it was this third one, right? Alright. I need to make sure this is actually cooked. Because I don't want to eat. Okay, let's go. Will I burn myself? Ah! Imagine having a cat that's like this intelligent that you can just like, yeah. Or do I have to cut it? I think I have to cut it. This can be for like a dog or something. Eat some chicken. Delicious. Now I see that you're not just a cool cat, you're always a chef. The last thing I wanted you to know about you is how smart you are. Here are some. Find a toy car. I think where the toys are. Watch this. Here's how to make Granny jiggle her booty. Boom! Right? And, oh crap! Oh no! Granny's dead. Granny's actually dead. back to like, and then her arm's just dangling. She's cooked. But somehow she come back to life. Granny, you can't get me up here, can you? It would be a cool update if she can get up here. But at the same time, a little bit like annoying. I saw a video of a toy car here. Yep. Whoa. Yeah. Get away from me. Alright, use smart cubes to make a target word. Okay. Alright, so get that one. Nine. La. Okay, C. Alright. Oh. Okay, so what is it? What do they mean by a target word? Do they mean by like the actual word target? T-A. Are there more? Okay. That's the USB. Let me get up. Let me get up. Okay, I clearly can't get up there. What the heck am I? Get out. I think there's more words down there, isn't there? I think there is, I'm not sure. Okay, whatever. I was like, okay, whatever, and just got up so easily. Are there any more letters, or are they just all up there? Because I can't find none. I can't find no more. Hold up, guys. Let me clean my lenses. Granny! Sorry, Granny, that totally wasn't me. She's gonna be spawned. Told you. Nah, Granny. Granny, you wanna fight me, right? Luckily, I got my new gold claws and I know Rah! Yeah. Oh, heck yeah. Go in there. Yes, delicious. Granny, move your fat down. Chow. Woo! That was a little weird, wasn't it? Yep. Get away from me, Granny. Get away from me. Nope, go up there. Oh! I know a word that I can make. I'm so freaking dumb. Try and guess. Never mind. Oh, look. Yeah. Got it. go. Alright. Find the flash drive. I found the flash drive up here, didn't I? Okay, I don't even need it. Log on to Grandma's computer. I know, because I've done this before. You stupid robot. Get away. I know the code, but at the same time don't know. 0426. Okay, 0426. And let's go. Remember you had a piggy bank? There's something to do with what's inside of it. Oh, sorry, I gotta go. Wait a minute. I think I know what it is. Remember? I'm not sure if you guys remember, but in my other video, I mentioned a piggy bank, and I saw a silver coin in it that fit that bank upstairs thing with money, right? I went out of the map. Turns out inside there was a key card. What if I unlock the key card? Get the silver coin. Granny! Get away. Get away. Over here. Cat. Oh. Sure. Yes. Money. POV. When your parents give you a card, there's all this money. Oh wow! Happy birthday, Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, thank you so much. Just give me my mom. I know where that is. Dude. Boom. Okay. I know damn well this unlocks this. Oh, let's go. Let's go in. Okay, I'm going into the garage. What is in the garage? Okay, so there's a person. Hi, cutie. You found the garage. Good job. Now it's time to look around. Oh my! Don't tell me. I can also just. Well, you'll also spawn a frying pit. Damn. Let me get this. Don't tell me. What the? Oh, he doesn't really get mad. Are these cat cards? Fall asleep. A pocket. Give me this. Oh, heck no. Oh, why are there so many cards? Find the gym. There's a gym? Listen, I'm sorry, little bro. Missed. Is this the gym? No, that's not the gym. Garage. Is the gym like outside? The gym. Where could this gym be? Can't pick that up. Can I pick this up? Oh, yes. I can't paint things yellow. Sadly, where is this gym? Lift up the rollers. What the heck is the rollers? What is going? Oh, what is this? Oh, what the heck? Okay, what did that do? That didn't do nothing. Oh, shut your little. Oh, okay, so those were the rollers. Light up the boxing ring. Okay, so first I need to find the gym. I do not know. I'm thinking of climbing. I think found the gym. Okay, now it says light up the boxing ring, but I don't know where the box. Oh, it's over there. Don't tell me I have to make that. Oh, jump! Let's go. Not bad, not bad. How do I light it up? How can I light this gym up? Oh, frick. Oh, that thing. I know it. What? I didn't light it up. I think I know how to light up this boxing ring. Cause I saw a wire. I think it's right here, isn't it? Good night, buenas noches. Okay, turn on. Reach garage attic. Okay, I think this is the attic. What the heck? Is this not it? This is literally the attic. You cannot tell me this is not it. Damn. Right here? Reach the garage. I'm not afraid. Like more up there or something? Oh, right here, right here. This thing? Move this. No, not that, not that, not that. That goes down. I'm literally on the attic. Right there? That thing? Reach garage to attic. I'm on the attic. I don't know what little bro's. Oh, this garage is a mess. You need to get ready for repairing. Okay, so now what do I do? Return the hammer to the toolbox. Where's the toolbox? Okay, I have the hammer, I'm pretty sure. Is this the toolbox? Where the heck is this toolbox? Oh, it's right here. That's one. Return the screwdriver. Toolbox. Easy. Return the saw to the toolbox. This thing. Can I put this one more? Yeah, I can. Okay, that's return the screw. Okay, so this. I can't push him enough. Yes, I can't. This car is too important for our gang. It needs to be fixed as soon as possible. Okay, so. Alright. Pump up the tire. This? What tire? May I have your attention, please? Okay. I'm guessing this is the pumper. Okay, where can I put? Attack the wheel of the axle. Attach the wheel. This? I'm so confused. Attack the wheel. Screw in the wheels. I'm so confused. Okay, so I know this is the pumper. How do I attach? Oh, wait. Something like this, maybe? like that. Or like that. Something like that, maybe? Where do I pump up tire? Ooh, what the heck? How do I do this? I'm so. What is this? Don't tell me I kind of have to like just. Or maybe like those bolts that are inside the car. I'm so confused right now. What do I do? Pump up the tire. What tire? Tell me about it, bro. I'm the same way. Oh, wait. That's what I'm so dumb. Okay. Put the tire there. And then we put these in there. Okay. Nope, not those. Go. Okay. Find and fix the engine lift lever. Find and fix the lift lever. Is it different? Put the engine into the car. Wait, what? Where the heck is the engine? This? I think we might need that help. Nope. Oh, right there. Okay, how do we get there? Oh. Oh. So we need to find the lift lever of it. So I'm guessing we have to find a lever that connects to that. Yep, so we need to find a lever. I see a wire. I'll find this wire real quick. Bro, I'm a better construction worker than this dude. You guys really don't know right now? But I'm like sweating. Oh, that thing! This! Okay, so how do we... Where's the lever? Wait, okay. Find and fix the engine lift lever. Oh, so we need to find a lever and then put it on here. This thing? Or is this just a light? Oh, not that. Oh, that thing, right there. This thing. Okay. So now, put the engine into the car. Alright, so what's next? Find the the mirror. Find side mirror. There, right here. Right there. That one's done. Take the trash out of the car. It's okay. Okay, what's the first mission? Okay, I know what that is. That one, that's like the thing, yeah, I said we needed. That I said what we were gonna need eventually. I don't think we have to put, I'm pretty sure we have to put in the back of the car then. Yep. Right there. Right there. Done. Oh, I got out a bunch of fish. Alright, fix the car damage with the hammer. Okay, first let me take out the trash though. Cause I need that. I need to take out the trash. Let me see how much battery I still have. Damn. It's two, right? One. Missing this. That has to be two. Yep, okay. So, take a pizza. I'm still gonna take out all the trash because we don't need this. Alrighty, so we took out all the trash. What's next? Fix the car damage with the hammer. The hammer is this one. So I'm pretty sure what they mean. It's like this maybe? Nope. Not that. Humps. Okay, so maybe. Oh, right here. Okay. Okay, fix that. Touch up the car's paint. Oh, so those little parts right there.
Huh? Hey! Huh.
Alright. What's next? Clean the car's interior. Oh, the sponge. It's definitely the sponge. If it's not the sponge, then I don't know what to use. Oh, dirty. My sponge is even dirty. Yes, sir. Alright, what's next? Saw off the spoiler. Let's see where that could be. Where's this? Oh, right here. Okay, so solve this. Okay. Fix the dashboard. It looks like a screwdriver. Okay, so where can I use this? It usually shows me. Hopefully it still shows me. If not, I'm gonna have to problem. Okay, maybe here? fix the dashboard. Oh, this thing, right? Pretty sure. If it's not that thing, I don't know what it is.
Huh.
No, triple, right? Camera. So that's what it does. Take a photo of the car. Oh, nice.
Loop, 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 loop.
Whatever. Start the car. We're leaving soon. All right. So we're gonna need a key. Find the key and start the car. Where can this key? Our key has maybe somewhere up here. Oh, right here.
What?
Holy crap. It's pity that it happened for the car. Tower panels make fucks. Put poop into the boxing gloves.
Yeah.
Poop. If I could even find some. Oh, I think we have to go back to the house. Go back to the house. Go over here to the cat litter. Get one of them. Can I put it in my mouth? Yes, I can. Alright, so put it in my mouth. Then go back in here. If I still have my if I still have my poop, that would be good. Nope, I do not. Okay. So there's a different litter box, I'm guessing. What is this? I don't know what that did, but it did something. Oh, it detached this thing, didn't it? I don't know what this does. Oh, I fixed the car. Drop the trophies onto the floor. What trophies? Little bro does not have trophies. Frick. Chase away the pigeons from the roof. Okay, wait. This one's gonna be easy. Frick, I hit my controller. I have to go to the roof real quick. Oh, these trophies. Throw them onto the floor. Okay, that one's done. Okay, where is A pigeon. Oh no, there's some poop. Where are the boxing gloves at? I don't know. Grab this. Grab the poop. Oh, there's the boxing gloves. Go over. Alright, whatever. Wait, are those boxing gloves even? I think they're the boxing gloves. I think it's a frick. I think it's a different place. Why am I so tall? Oh, that's why. Where are these boxing? The boxing gloves. Where would boxing gloves be? Okay. What is this? Oh, so that is that. Where are the boxing gloves? We can do the boxing gloves one later because I need to find them anyways. Because I don't know where they are. But I'm gonna do the pigeon one. Oh, oh, so that, oh. I like dumped out poop and then now I don't know where it is. Okay, so now I know how to do the poop. Now I know how.
Yeah.
This dude needs to shut his little. Put it in there and then just. Okay. Okay, there. Poop in the boxing gloves. Chase away the pigeons on the roof. So that was my golden claws. Frick. Okay, drove away the pigeons. Drop the mechanic's photos into the floor. Or onto. What the heck? Where are these?
Huh? Huh? Look, look, look.
Place a picture in the locker.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, these. And I know there's another one over here. Yes, we know. Alright, drop traffic codes from the garage roof. Don't tell me I have to go. If I know there's traffic cones down there, don't tell me. Alrighty.
Look, look.
You watching a little video? I think. Frick. Break bottles? Oh, yeah.
Look, look, look.
This one. I knew there was going to be a mission. Put this. There. Holy crap, I have like so many fish. Break bottles. Juke. Get better, little kid. You're duty.
Oh, oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness, that scared me so bad. Oh my hand. One more. Oh yeah. Woohoo. They dropped traffic cones from the garage roof. Oh wait, no, that was the attic. They want me to drop it from the roof. Frick. think one of the things they wanted me to do, shoot the target, I'm pretty sure. I'm thinking they want me to shoot the target. Yep. Okay. Place the correct pictures correct. Okay, so I have to drop. I think it's best to put all of them on the floor. For some reason, I thought I could put that in my mouth. So that way, I can just. This one. Alright. Oh. Fox. Cat. And doggy. Correctly place the picture. Turn on the fan. I think I remembered there being a fan. Think of it, not really. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'm kinda exhausted.